Hello everyone. Hope all of you are fine and healthy at home. I am your Sharoni ma'am and welcoming you to your science class. Dear students, in the previous chapter already we learned about the sources of food and importance of food. We know that food gives us energy, it helps to grow and develops our body as well as it protects our body. The food that we eat has 5 components such as carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin and minerals. In our online class already we learned about all these components in details. Now we are going to recap all the concept once again.
Dear student, now we will going to start our summary video of chapter number 2, components of food. Now look at the mind map of the chapter. There are 6 topics in this chapter. First, energy giving nutrients. Second, body building nutrients. Third, protective nutrients. Fourth, other components. Fifth, balanced diet. And sixth, deficiency diseases. Under first topic, there are 2 subtopics, carbohydrate and fat. Again, under carbohydrate, there are 2 subtopics, simple carbohydrate and complex carbohydrate. Under second topics, we have learned about protein. Under third topics, again there are 2 subtopics, vitamin and mineral. Under other components, we have learned about roughage and water. Start with our first topic, energy giving nutrients. Means the nutrients which provide energy to our body. Carbohydrate and fat types of nutrients provide us energy. So the food items that are rich in carbohydrate and fat are called energy giving food. We know that carbohydrates and fat are compound of
Carbon.
hydrogen and oxygen. Do you know, student, how many types of carbohydrate are there? Yes, you are right. There are 2 types of carbohydrate, simple carbohydrate and complex carbohydrate. Simple carbohydrate are digested quickly and provide us instant energy, where complex carbohydrate takes a longer time to be digested. First broken down into simple carbohydrates and then into simple sugar. These simple sugars are absorbed by blood and provide us energy. So it's obvious that complex carbohydrate cannot provide us instant energy like simple carbohydrate. Now look at the examples of both the carbohydrate. The examples of simple carbohydrate is sugar and the examples of complex carbohydrate is starch. We can find starch in the food of different types of grains,
Potato.
bread, etc. Now come to fats. Fats gives us more energy than carbohydrate. But remember here, we cannot intake more fat in our body. Fats are obtained from both plant and animal. Now look at the examples of plant fat and animal fat. Plant fat means different types of oil we are getting from plant like coconut oil, olive oil, mustard oil, sunflower oil, etc. And animal fat, there are ghee, butter, etc. You know that if we intake more carbohydrate in our body, then all the excess amount of carbohydrate will store in our body in the form of fat, right? Second topic is body building nutrients, means the nutrients help to grow and develop our body, such as protein. So the food rich in protein is called body building food. We know that proteins are nitrogen containing compounds. It is made of several small units called amino acids. It is obtained from both plants and animals. Plant protein means different types of
pulses,
and animals more protein are fish, meat, egg, etc. It helps to
repair,
and develops our body. We know that our body is made up of cells, which is the smallest structural and functional unit of our body. Proteins are required for building new cells in our body. So, all of you add protein types of food more in your diet. Third topic is protective nutrients. The nutrients which protect our body from various diseases. Vitamin and mineral are protective nutrients, and the food items rich in vitamins and minerals are called protective food. There are vitamins like A, B, C, D, E and K, and minerals like iron, calcium, sodium, potassium, iodine,
phosphorus,
etc. Vitamins and minerals are required in small quantities but very essential for our body. So all of you don't skip any vitamins or minerals from your diet. Green leafy vegetables and fruits, also seafood, are the major sources of vitamins and minerals. Come to our fourth topic, other components. Except all five components, our body requires some more such as roughage and water. You know that roughage and water does not have any nutritional value for our body, but it is very essential for our body. First, come to roughage. The fiber or roughage adds bulk to the undigested food materials. It helps in easy bowel movements, which is preventing constipations. The examples of roughage are fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and pulses. Do you know, students? About 70% of our body weight is water. The water helps our body in absorbing nutrients, transporting substances inside our body, and regulating body temperature. Also, it helps in removal of waste from our body in the form of urine. One more thing you should know, lack of water in your body leads to a condition that called dehydration. So all of you drink lots of water every day. Fifth topic is balanced diet. A diet that contains all the nutrients in the right proportions along with roughage and water is called balanced diet. Here, remember, it's not same for all human beings. The diet of a person depends on the age of a person, types of work, what they are doing, conditions of the body, and their gender. So, dear students, all of you prepare your balanced diet according to your body structure and according to your age. And please eat all kinds of nutrients according to your balanced diet along with the other components. Our last topic, deficiency diseases. A disease is caused by the lack of an element in the diet. Usually, a particularly vitamin or mineral is called deficiency diseases. Examples: lack of vitamin A causes night blindness and lack of iron causes anemia. Students, already we learned about all these deficiency diseases in our online class. So please keep practicing. Dear students, we already learned all these topics in details in our online class. Please read the chapter and practice properly. Till then, take care, bye, and thank you for watching this video.